The truth about plant-based diets. Sounds serious. Let's take a look.
I used to think that eating meat was wrong until I started farming. It may seem like avoiding meat is the most humane choice, but when you look deeper, it's not that simple. A plant-only diet is not a bloodless diet. Industrial farming destroys entire ecosystems, killing countless small creatures like field mice, birds, rabbits, frogs, and even the life within the soil itself. Large-scale cropping systems rely on toxic chemicals and heavy plowing, leading to soil erosion and water contamination.
That's true, but she conveniently misses out that these industrial crop farms are also used to produce animal feed to feed to animals who will then be killed to feed people in what's probably the world's most inefficient system that generates insane levels of pollution. She also fails to mention that around 50% of the world's farmland is taken up by animal farming, and that plant-based diets would take up significantly less land. The best thing the average person can do if they're against hurting animals and the ecosystem is eat a plant-based diet.
Our modern disconnect from nature makes it easy to either turn a blind eye or place all the blame on animal agriculture, but arguably rejecting our role in the natural cycle of life is what's truly inhumane.
There is nothing natural about forcibly impregnating selectively bred animals to produce the most eggs, the most milk, and the most meat possible, keeping them in captivity their entire lives until they become more profitable dead, then killing them and starting the whole process again.
We were plant-based for years. The thought of taking an animal's life felt impossible, but when we became livestock farmers practicing regenerative agriculture, something changed. We came to love and respect animals more than ever before, because we finally understood how to work with nature, not against it.
This is starting to feel a bit like an ad. I wonder if they sell anything. Oh, they have a shop and they sell meat, dairy, and eggs. Amazing.
Our regeneratively raised animals live the best lives possible. Fresh grass, open pastures, regular rotations, protection from predators.
Protection from predators? You mean protecting them from other predators because you're their predator? You're not saving their lives like some kind of hero. You're just keeping them alive until you want them dead. You're stopping other predators from killing them until you want to kill them.
They're never confined to factory conditions, never stressed, never mistreated. But big food corporations push a narrative that all animal agriculture is harmful while selling ultra-processed foods that disconnect us from the land, from animals, and from reality itself.
She claims big food corporations are anti-animal agriculture and in favor of ultra-processed foods, and this is just a lie. Big food corporations absolutely love animal agriculture, and especially factory farming. They make billions off it, so I'm not really sure what she's saying here.
Our livestock have one hard second, and in that moment, we honor them, because their sacrifice nourishes us, our families, and the land. In return, they give back through their entire existence. This is the natural order of things, and we are grateful to be a part of it.
The euphemisms you use to make yourself feel better about killing animals. They sacrifice themselves, and it's the natural order. These animals have a similar understanding of the world as a 2-year-old child. You're taking advantage of their weaknesses and their inability to defend themselves, and you're killing them.